Hey guys, it's Leah, and today I'm going to be opening up some Hatchimals right here, and they are collectibles. We got them at Target. They're season 2, and we even can get Bearkeets, which I don't really know what those are. So let's get on with the videos. Okay, so let's get this open. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay guys, so you have to rub this hard to get it open. So I'm just going to do that right now. Push on it. And then you just dig a hole. And then it's okay if you break it.
Wow, look at that. Hang on. Let me look.
Okay, I got him. There he is.
It's a Bearkeet.
It's a Bearkeet.
Keet.
Keet. There it is.
Neat.
Okay, so let's open up the next one. This one has to be a good one. There we go. Okay. So this is what the heart looks like right now. So you have to keep on rubbing it.
Just try pushing on it.
Okay. It looks like one of these things on the back. This is what the inside looks like right now. It's all white. So, yep, out of it. And it's a Bearkeet.
Nice. A white one. Okay, so far we have 2 Bearkeets.
Yep.
A black one and a white one.
And they're right on the back here.
Oh yeah, it's the same ones on the bag. Look at that.
So now I'm going to open up this one. I wonder what it will be. You might even get twinsies. Get the egg out.
Come on, muscles.
Okay. Alright, so my dad helped me open this. And I'm going to get it out and open it up like this to the heart. Now I'm just going to try pushing on it. Okay.
Ooh, there it goes. Ooh, you got a hole.
There's a black.
What is it?
There's a black spot in it.
See black?
Yeah.
I'm excited. I want to see what this one is.
Yeah, me too. Oh, that's
What you got?
twinsy.
You got a twin?
Yeah, twinsy.
Whoa.
Twinsie. But this,
Oh, he's got a different color belly.
yeah.
Alright, oh, we have 3. We got a black one with a yellow belly, then a white one.
with a pink belly, and then we have a black one with a green belly.
Cool.
Okay, so now I'm going to open up this last one. Get the round. So excited for this one since it's our last one.
The last one.
No.
Come on, you can do it. You did it on the first one.
So my dad helped me with this. Let me grab it. See if it's ready. Yep, it's ready.
Oh boy.
Oh no, it's white.
Oh man, are you kidding?
It's white inside. It got me. This is going to be trendy. I just know it. I just know it, kids. This is going to be a Twinsie. I just know it. There it is inside.
Mm-hmm.
Now it's Twinsies. Just it has a purple belly.
Okay, so it is different. It's a white one, but purple belly.
Yeah. So we got 2 Twinsies on both of them. This is one. They have sparkly hands, and they have bellies that are colored. This one has a purple one. Here's this one is black. This one has a blue beak, and this one has a pink beak, and he has a yellow belly. This one has a blue beak, and this one has a pink belly. This one has a pink beak, and he has a green belly.
Nice.
And they all have rainbow tails.
Turn around, let me see. Very cool.
Okay guys, so I ended up with 4 different Hatchimals, and I can't wait until my dad lets me buy more. And so you guys comment down below and give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!